Can I have you cross your feet at the ankle?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and what I'm gonna do is, that looks perfect. I'm just gonna pull this other stool onto the other side so it looks a little bit more organic. Let me see this with and without the, okay, this isn't, we'll take this out for now because it's not doing anything. Let's put this here, move these out of the way. So I just put the other stool here so that it wasn't like a gaping hole, so that this looks a little bit more natural. Okay, Sabs, will you pull that chair out of the foreground? I'm going to turn this one. Ashlyn, can I have you turn your body just a little bit and pull your laptop to the left just a little bit more so I can see more of the screen?
Just
yeah. And then and push the laptop to the left just a smidge. You're gonna push your yeah. Oops, sorry. Yeah, pull this.
Oh,
Is that pulling? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna pull the laptop this way. Okay. Yeah. This looks great. Yes, love that.
You can't see my face, right?
Nope, I can't see. And I'm just gonna adjust this real quick. Can we tuck this behind your ear? Mm-hmm. Okay, and poof this in this direction. There we go. Love that, yeah. Can I have you sit up just a little bit straighter? There we go, perfect. Oh, I really, really love this. Your kitchen makes me so happy. All right, turn your body towards the left just a little bit, almost like 45 degrees. Can I have you cross your right knee over your left? Does that feel uncomfortable? Mm-mm. This looks great. Yeah. I love this because what this does is this shows a little bit more of your figure without the sweater looking too bulky. Hey, Sabs, would you grab my 35 millimeter lens? Thanks. This looks so good. And then Sabs, when you're done with that, go ahead and pull the Ona bag out of the background. Thanks. I'll just leave the 50 here. Okay. And then Sabs, will you pull the other gray chair out of the way and my shoes that are under the countertop? Perfect.
You want the binder moved also?
Yeah, if you don't mind, that would be helpful. This looks so good. The framing here is really, really good. Okay. All right. This looks amazing. And then we're just gonna pull that gray chair. Yeah.
It's right here.
Yeah, that's perfect. That's out of the frame. Ashlyn, can I have you smiling right here with me? There we go. That looks so good. It looks great.
No, like fell in my face.
Turn your body just a little bit more. Yeah. Oh, that looks really cute. Yeah, perfect. Okay, stay right there. Perfect. We have a behind the scenes photo with Tyler in there. Stay right there. Oh, girl, this looks super cute. Don't move. Give me 1 sec. Change my lens. Sorry.
Good.
Okay. Perfect. I'm just changing my lens because I want to compress the background just a little bit more, moving this pillow out of my foreground. Love this. This is the 50 millimeter 1.2. I just switched from the 35. Can I have you tilt your screen back towards me just a hair? A little bit more? A little bit more? Right there's good. Okay. Perfect. Yeah, just because if it's pointed too far back, it starts to look a little bit weird. I'm going to have you point your toes just a little bit. Perfect. And then relax. Your arches are already so good naturally. Perfect. Sabs, can I have you grab, oh wait, hold on, no. Ashlyn, laugh right here with me. Ha! Oh, I love it, so good. That's so good. You say you don't like your fake laugh? I think it's amazing. Okay. Smiling right here with me. Perfect. I'm gonna come in a little bit closer. Gorgeous.